In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off AI overview in Google search. To begin, open Google Chrome and first make sure you know which Google product you're actually using. This matters because AI settings are different across Google services. For example, Google Search, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Photos, Google Chrome, Google Workspace, and Google Assistant can all handle AI features a little differently. So before changing anything, it's helpful to identify whether you're adjusting Google Search specifically or another Google product that may have its own separate AI controls. Once you've confirmed the product you want to manage, open that app or website and go to its settings area. Depending on the product, you may see options like settings, preferences, labs, experimental features, or workspace admin settings if you're using a business account. These are the places where Google sometimes allows you to manage AI-related tools. The wording may vary slightly depending on the product and whether you're signed in with a personal or work account, so take a moment to look through the available menus carefully. From there, look for any available options to turn off AI features. In some Google services, you may be able to disable experimental AI tools, turn off writing assistants, or hide AI-powered suggestions and panels. Just keep in mind that not every Google product gives you a full option to disable AI. So what you see will depend on the service you're using. If your goal is specifically to reduce AI in Google search, search as you normally would, and then use the web filter when it's available. This is one of the most useful ways to focus more on traditional web results instead of AI-generated summaries. You can also refine your search by using more specific keywords, which may help surface the exact results you want more quickly. It's important to know, though, that Google does not currently offer a universal setting that permanently disables AI overviews for every search. You should also review Search Labs if your account has access to it. Open Search Labs, check whether any AI-related experiments are active, and turn off any available experiments that you no longer want to use. This can reduce some AI features tied to testing or preview tools. However, even with experiments turned off, AI overviews may still appear in some searches. So the main takeaway is that while you can reduce AI-related features and use the web filter for a more traditional search experience, there isn't currently a single permanent switch that fully turns off AI overview across all of Google search.